In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exterior door handle on the sliding door of this Dodge Grand Caravan. The process is the same on both doors. Let's get started. The first step will be to remove this trim panel. Grab it from the top and pop it out. If you can't do it by hand, grab a trim tool, stick it here, make sure it's a plastic trim tool so you don't damage this area, and pry it out. It just has a few clips that it clips on with. Unplug the window switch. Take a T20 Torx bit and remove this screw. At the back here, there's a corner piece that needs to actually slide out that way. I'm going to use my trim tool. There we go. All right. Now the rest of the door panel is just held on with plastic clips, so grab onto it or use a trim tool and pop it off. There we go. There we go. I have the door closed so I can get better grip on here. There's one more push clip on this side that needs to pop. All right. Well, there's the door panel. Now peel off this rubber cover so we can access the outer door handle through this opening. Now we finally have access to get to the outer door handle. Stick your hand through this opening and pop this cable off. And then if you just keep twisting it, it should unhook off of the handle here on the retainer. So just move it out of the way. And then there's an 8mm bolt holding the handle on. You can see it right at the bottom here. Once you remove it, try not to drop it inside the door. If you do, you'll need a magnet to fish it out. There it is. And there actually is another one of these bolts at the top, right above the one we just took out. That one you can't really see, you'll have to feel for it. Okay, got it. And if you look on the other end of this door handle, there's one last 8mm screw right here. Now you should be able to remove this door handle, pull out on this side. This should release this end, and then just twist and turn. There you have it. Now put the new door handle in, slide it onto that rear mounting area first. Then you're gonna have to hold this and pull the door handle out so that this can go in first, just like that. Then just line everything up, press it up against the door. And now, let's secure it. I'm going to start by installing the two bolts that go in the rear. Alright, that one's tight. And now we can start in this front one. Once you get it snug, stop, otherwise you'll break that insert. Or strip it out. So right about here, I'm going to put the ball inside that retainer first. Oh, there we go. That just fell in. It's right in the center slot there. Then I'm going to line up that white piece of plastic with the door handle and then press it on until it clicks. I recommend testing it out before closing up the door. Let's set this back in. Make sure it's sealed up all the way around. Now bring in your door panel, make sure the wires go through. Actually, you can just connect them at this point to the window switch. You're going to want to line this up, get that door a little bit closer. Once all the push clips are lined up, make sure it hooks in at the top here. You can tap it in place. Put this screw back in. Take this cover, fit it over the inner door handle, snap it back into place. And lastly, this piece right here. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.